Ento ko Akyem Kwabeng I wo Etiwa West electoral area ni mabusia eja do ho butu DCE NPP a wote so abe clash ni nyina fa Astroturf Commissioning MP abo adwuma aye Astroturf or commission DCE won tiase ade a ono NS obe commission that project no ama hono no babru no so eguo fu DCE de pay you ma onchire mu no akire wadwen ama me e wo comment section ayi Penyah block media mesro say ni di mu obe like video no that my subscribe button so na be click notification connect latest update na be chire wadwen de ama me e wo comment section mesro so baso no share for so anya bi ahwe eduko Akyem Kwabeng I wo Etiwa West electoral area ni mu a eja da hobutu ni nyane se DCE a wo hono mo no ni kokwa pai o se on tiase on twen ema MP no MP oteso honorable Koko Asante I say in the ticket of NPP MP no NPP ni and DCE no NDC ni na MP honorable Koko Asante no ana park ya na eda kromo no ko ona eteso 20 yiba nyina no ona watena ko obo adwuma ba besia na adwuma so ani etikrofon penalty ntia fibia no omu etuma no se ontena so wala se na ompre empuntuo ene ne mapa enfamra constituency ni mo na that MP no ana na park bi eda kromo no is a person press before crowd park press before park as a community park ya no omu nyina no omu boss ball ni ade na that park no ana MP no Koko Asante ekazi there bi ene yemfa park no nye Astroturf for the past 2 years. The last 2 years, almost say omo reconstructed that park na be Sakula Park no. I no Astroturf. It omo LOK park no for like 2 years ni ana omo eye ho adwuma. Na ya kwatoni for election ni mo no. Ana omo wie park no. Ba na se na se na city omo intimi an commission that Astroturf no. Omo intimi an commission. Eti October 2025 ana like on one say we ni na so work here ni. Be kura project we na me ye. Eti ebra se me commission. Baby, this is one tiase. Was a commission be this onya obotre. One twen kakra. Mebro okroman so mama me pressure because park no money tua. Ye hu say ye wie Astroturf no. He okwa akoma da ho ye wie omboso bo. Tachima omo wie omboso we say Astroturf be organ ha bia. Omo wie and NPP. Omo wie ni nyina omboso bo. Eti mebro okroman no no. Ehun ni say Akyem Kwabeng. Astroturf no ho no. Ye wie. Ba just ya lock ni keke. For so bia ni so. Enti omumie nani omuso entimi enya kwan engosi akan ewo Astroturf no so na enum na ne abusia enu achiye no honorable Asante Koko honorable Koko Asante MP no a wote so no say ne obeko akoye commission obeko commission that particular project because the voice of the people no must be respected and yes you mabunu bufu a ometima kose basabasa ewo hodom ana den so we as we but this na a delay Abuja program na course kama eyes omo ba kwa say ye DC no one MP no na bas no mu didi nkoban kakra bia course fine Edrubra MP ebe commission project na ewusia DC no se on tiase di ko kwa pai on tiase ti opie kwasesa police for ne squad ebe gu ho ebe scatter program no ama commission no ama so
Yes, and I explained everything. And you see there's no tension. So therefore, NDC doesn't want the people to leave the place. So why? Yeah, that's what you get to see. This is false information. Based on false information. But information that was given to DISEC was false. Because there is no tension between NDC and NPP. In fact, the boys who are here are all NDC and NPP. NDC 4, they are here. There is absolutely no tension. They just want me to commission it, open it, and they want to play the ball. And I'm also giving you respect. I'm also giving you respect. Because I love this here. I love this here. All I'm doing is commission it so the boys can play ball. That's all. NDC 4 NPP 4 Multi Anna DCE Commission into a national security voice. Since 2022, I'm a MP, and I'm a lobby GAPC Foundation. Me person be see Astroturf professional level. The youth and the community, no. So I want to make use so. The commission here. Multi.
Otherwise, you fall for.
Emma MP no kra no honorable Kwako Asante e dem do say metutwa de nti a DCE no e chirem say all makwan emia omo commission that project no.
We lobby very hard, GMPC. Before I became MP, so the bear so messy Astroturf Emma Tiwa West mine. So I succeeded, and I'm embassy Astroturf no. The Astroturf no. They see almost turf no we November 2024, which is turf with the floodlights, with the fencing. November 2024. It's in a way enough. Some year stands which was an add-on, separate, but it was part of it. Add-on stand which will have a VIP box and a seating. No aka sombe. It's almost started. Construction almost started kakra. And I can't. Now me feel say November 2024 come to me a commission, but now me say oh yenge me run a contract and to me a year before but to me a year. But November 2024 though, now we come to me a commission. But next time say my the party because when we are for the community, my for NDC, my for NPP, me for the whole community. It's November 2024 no man commission. See and we. And community no ne boysy, I'm pressure say oh, I'm pressure be BMA be commission no to me be usual. Any school for I find so that man let me go back a bit. Park yeah, they see Astroturf for free. A Presby school for park. A Sakra pa DMPC, ABC no. Me could permission from Presby Church because I park your own there. It's me koye hu bibia letters nya di na na Presby Church approve yes oh I had the omo park no e yo on depo say betumi akọ lobby na me dey adie sa eba ha because students no so korano so ebe benefit community no be benefit eti sa na ye wie November na ye wie no 2024 no ye betumi akọ commission na femi hwa na dey che park no Astroturf akasan so ye wie na community no youth no so no here baby a ba bebo ball because they say you're division 2 ewe Kwefu which is another town close by pe home place on bebo na me say okay and even though say stands no ye no member commission na say beti get me say because crampo you to crampo say oh stands so crampo de here dressing room. It's me right now. Me call ball DCE amade. You know your meeting we was some other things. And I can't want them. And I'm kind of so. I tell see. See why since November 2024. Deteriorated po. Because I said boys to 2 weeks films because they deteriorated. It's on my commission. Now I'm new so. I said though. I will not let me commission it. And I'm saying, oh, why? Reason why the man say, stand the young way, nothing, no, no assembly, na survey. And I'm so, where no assembly pay you, and no assembly no wasn't involved in it. He didn't initiate it. I initiated it. But the thing is, and at the end of the day, though, Astroturf near we, it's not just a boy go to me, you soon for the community. Because one thing that brings people together is sports, right? Football, you who say boys up on mobile because and then come a commission nothing no on my ball short 10 minutes Bobby. It's football teams now no. Only a mixed NDC boys room, NPP boys room, because football is something that brings the community together. And that's what I'm trying to do here. Okay, but that's where we're not. You're not divided, sir. But the DCE wants to create something. It's a DCE, no. Oh yeah, I think I was going ahead with the commission, no. I'm afraid that, oh yeah, dissect meeting. And he allowed, just say, oh, say me commissioner, there will be tension between NDC and NPP. Which is not true. There is absolutely no tension. This is a peaceful place, it's calm, but he was trying to create something when there was none, okay? Which is actually very misleading of the DCE and very dangerous. For you to, as a DCE, to create, say, there's some kind of tension when there's none. It's dangerous. Me baha, me boys, say, me for microphone, me say, mema, NDC for her. Yes, there were her. NPP for her. Yeah, were her. But together, there is absolutely no conflict at all. But the DCE tried to come up with some kind of, basis to be able to stop me from commissioning. So that's the issue here. But there's absolutely, as you've seen here, the boys are together. They are playing. They want to play. And then the community is here. Everybody supports this facility because it will benefit the community, will benefit the youth, will benefit the community. The Astroturf is a community asset. It is not a political issue. So for the DC to brand it as a political item, no, it's totally wrong, completely unacceptable. Because if I wanted to make it political, back in November 2024, when the actual Astroturf was finished, I would have commissioned it with party flags. But I didn't. Okay? I didn't. I could have done that, and nobody could have stopped me then. I didn't. So what he's done is he's brought, he's had the commander bring some police officers here to try to stop it.
Any advice to the youths?
Well, my advice to the youth is, of course, they should still, remain united, both NDC and NPP.
I'm looking at DJ Kwanum fan or born you near the crown. Hey, name is I say, the phone I say.
I show my phone Papa, see me because me, I didn't cost me, DJ. The cost was a minimum. To me, into audience, I bought me mix and I say, it's immediate. Other saw better mix and I'm coming in so I bet maybe I miss me the neighbor. I say, if I turn the phone, and I'm a mixer.
Abamo Bruno, a boy for pass a dear, this and Benedy, almost Chimano.
So to any I'm not going to be a footballer. Yeah, Jipa yes for 2 years. 2 years. The year training was so. Menoka said to a division 2 ever ball. It's Bonia Wayan is there. Young Mapak, never ball park this. Bonia and Pin Wayan. And a DCE is a 1 printer and penetra. I can find a coordinator, necessity coordinator, one Abba said, I'll grow my hand from my son. I try to say, well, baby, go to our parties. And my wheels and Mokomaja say, I'm on top of Mamma. I didn't hear him. I'm going to be the politics. Get away. Get away. Now, when you come here, wait, come this year. I'm going to come up here. I'm woman, so wait, you come this year. Come up here. Now, I've been for a minute. How?
Asubio wa ha obia enkon gidigidi ni ha say ye be start ball na you say police fire aba ha bebre task force some ma yenye dey e mo ball say DC some ye mo ball yesu enu ni enti say park na e o ma ni park e da ho deda o mo boss ball ana mo be sell e be ye we no be 2 years ni obia mo ball so da nti ene ne e ba ye say dey ye ba be bia bro so enye to paso Asubio so na dey ye de ba say be ball
It is something for said here.
He say no, I'm say I'm me am ball. I'm near mama say near my flower ha say. MP kasa, omo ni near my baby o drama ball, near na to agu. Ama went me nya dey ankasa. DC so on my head dey. Okay. On my yenye. DC so me am ball. Na ne o kono.
Matemedase. Park ne de so man commission kra na he ene da hon. Ye wo akọ bosobo. Edimenti DCE na say. Radenya. Hey, I say we cry. He said DC no NDC ni. It is a NPP na project no. Or no person or no DC na commission. Hey, I say me. Na why project no commission? Only project bia o be that commission. How na possible? All. Chira wa dwema me e wo comment section. Aha Penyah Block Media.